This is Chris. He is a less than a 1 year German Shepherd. Yes. He is very sweet, as you can see. This is Chris. For the first time he has come in a creche. Oh my, just come. He's a kuchi ku baby. Yes? He's looking at the mirror. Drinking water. Very shy baby. For the first time he is staying in a creche. Creche. Drinking water. Look at him. It's lovely to capture him. Very cute baby. He will lick my face. Creche. Oh, Creche. Drinking water. Okay, he settled down now. He's again drinking water. So that's Chris. He's Chris, little less than 1 year, a German Shepherd baby, as you can see him.